This is a short tutorial of how to close up your work after completing the final round. In this example, I have got 6 stitches left. When I completed the final stitch of my last round, I cut my yarn, leaving a long tail in order to be able to use that to sew. I then pulled the yarn through my final stitch. This secures it in place and makes sure that the work does not unravel. We then thread the needle and now we're ready to sew. You want to grab the front loop of the very first stitch and also the front loop of the second stitch. You'll end up with 2 loops on your sewing needle and you'll want to pull the yarn all the way through. You'll see that the gap is already starting to close nicely. The next step is to grab the front loop of the third and the front loop of the fourth stitch and again pull that yarn through. And we'll do that one more time by grabbing the front loop of the 5th stitch and the front loop of the 6th stitch. And there you have it. That's how you close up your work after completing the final round. At this point, you'll continue to use your sewing needle to weave in the ends. Thank you so much for watching and happy crocheting!